Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to turn on increasing ringtone volume on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android device and open the phone app. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2 next. Look for the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to proceed. Step 3. From the drop-down menu until you find the settings option and tap on it to open the menu. Step 4 now. Scroll down the menu and find the calling account option on the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5 next. Tap on the incoming call settings option on the screen. Step 6 in the menu until you find the increasing ringtone volume option. This option is currently disabled. Step 7 finally, tap to turn on the increasing ringtone volume option on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully turned on increasing ringtone volume on Android. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.